Experience points. Double jump kick. Like, is that a thing already? Hang on. How do I check that? Where is... When is... I can fucking do some cockfighting. Oh, get it. Oh, it is open. Oh, fuck yeah. Let's do it. Is this the one that's annoying to get into? Not like it's like, oh, an exclusive club, but it's like, it's like hidden almost. Don't you fucking move. Don't you fucking move. Also, wait, I need to actually go home first. Or just to a shop. Don't you fucking move. Take me to the shop. Actually, should I try? Let's see if I can't. I probably can't even buy things from here yet. Oh, and this one's fucking annoying. They dropped me off in the back for some reason. Which means... Get the fuck out! Now I'm the taxi! You'll be fine. What is my face value, like, even at nowadays? Upgrades... Face? I have the 2. Yeah, that's... I'm not gonna be able to do shit. Let's try this, Cheaters never prosper. Where the fuck is this thing? Alright, maybe try getting out of the way if you see me coming. See my car, see me coming. Rims so big you can hear them humming. Primetime click, we get money. Hey, there are people here. Hey, fellas. Wanna see my new spinning jump kick? It goes a little something like this. Oh, what the fuck was that? He backed up slightly, my one weakness. Here, have one of those. I don't even know how that hit you. Bitch! Corvette. Fucking run in the wall! Uh-oh, deflection, except not. Oh, fuck. Wait! Okay, I was about to say. Wow, I am dying over here. But luckily...
Excuse me, Mr. Shen!
Hey man, how's it
The
going?
excellent Wei Shin!
Another race. I'd have won, but Big Nose Chang cheated.
Oh, not Big Nose Chang.
He called the cops on me just as I was getting to the finish line. I barely escaped. You teach him not to pull that shit on your turf?
Yeah,
Sure, why not? I'm stupid. I'm gonna just take this fucking car. Hopefully nobody needs it. Yeet! Okay. Machi. What is this? Featuring God! That's right, God! Just straight up donkey teeth. Fudge. Jack Meritrix, Jack Theratrix. Boise. Wait, what was it? It's something. Duckalon, Quackadilly Blip. God no. I'm doing the fucking Key and Peele thing, if that's what you're fucking wondering. I'm not just saying words. LOL so random. Hey, he beat you in this? He beat you in this? Bro, just put this in your pocket. What the fuck? This isn't a race car. This is a fucking toy car. Are you kidding me? Fuck this thing. I should kill this thing on fucking principle. Fuck you.
Wrecking a man's car? Don't you know that's how he makes a living?
You're about to make a dying, bitch. Deflection. I pressed the button. You all saw it. Hit him? Okay, don't hit me. I meant it more like hit him. There you fucking go. There's your fucking car, huh? Fuck you too. That is nowhere near the amount of face that I want. Alright, I don't suppose I can buy from over here. Can I? Hey, also, give me your fucking car. It's nicer. Hey. Is there like an upgrade to make him? I do not remember him taking this long to get in the cars. Alright. I know I stole your car, but don't take it back because I need it. Wow, I am fucking a bloody warrior here. Chains, please? Yes. Oh, fucking five face. I can't do it. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, fine. I'll just... anything that I can actually buy. Nope. 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 Alright.
Truly remarkable transformation.
Thank you.
Guts to win that.
There's the guy that hangs out and just makes fun of people. Alright, where is...
and the scent of fresh flowers.
It's here. I know it's here. Fight Club. We don't talk about that. Where the fuck is it? Oh, it's over here. I'm pretty sure this is the fucking, like, hidden one. Go there. I'll have to remember for the 50 millionth time how to fucking get in this piece of shit. Make the road by walking. Oh, fuck yeah. This bitch is too smooth. Oh my god, it's too fucking quick. Skirt! Alright, how do you get in here? There's like a secret entrance, except this goes nowhere, right? This just, yeah, this doesn't go anywhere, so it's the other side. It's just like a mile away, I think, roughly speaking. I just need that car back. Come on now. Fucking skirt. Where am I? Right here. See, you have to differentiate it from the other 37, like, unopenable doors. Oh, I'm also gonna take some of this. That's handy. Full health and cheating? It's like steroids, but it tastes good.